and today I want to unbox another pocketbook or purse from Michael Kors, and it's from semi-annual sale. And let's see, I've got a Mercel one, and I don't know if I keep it or not, but let's unbox. So it came in box and I remove it from box, and it's how it came. So it came in plastic bag and something like this and this. So it is Mercel one. So it looks like this. This one not smell so much with leather, but it's still nice. It's in pink color and it has Michael Kors gold hardware, and here it has looking like this hardware, and it has two handles, so it's really nice pink color. Inside, let's see how it looks inside. To be able to see, it comes with strap. So this bag inside looks like this. It has two compartments and also zipper pocket. So maybe I show you differently how it looks. Let's see. This handbag is more sturdy, and maybe some people don't like it, and some like more than other bags, because other are more leaning or flexible, and this one is more sturdy. But this doesn't come with any lining here, only here in this pocket. But in this one it only has like this material, which looks like Saffiano leather, but it was said that it's canvas. No, I think it's Saffiano leather. And here it has Michael Kors sign. Here is also simple. And then this pocket is on zipper. Let's open it. And inside it has dust bag, and here it has key fob even, and key fob looks like this. It's gold hardware, and it's attached here. And this bag has under here, it's kind of spreadable like so you can actually fit here a wallet or something, although it's not much, but you can put here wallet, and maybe inside here you can put keys or something else, as it has zipper pocket, so your valuables would be secured. And here you can put other stuff like camera, or maybe other lens or pouch, makeup bag. Yeah. Only downside of this bag is that sometimes when you put it like on different angle, it might fall out stuff from it. And here maybe that doesn't look so nice here, as it looks like it's, I don't know how to call it, but it's weird looking. And this, I don't like how this look, although it's nice stitched, it looks a little weird. I would prefer maybe the lining, but the other thing is that it's at least not easy to clean. I mean, that you can take some wipe and clean it easily. I show you again, this thing is not opening and doesn't have keys. It's just like pretending to be key locker, and it says Michael Kors. And strap, it comes with strap, so you can wear it as well on your shoulder. And strap, the strap looks like this, and it has here, but the question is where I attach it, as I don't see anything to attach it. Oh, I see, it's here. This one and this one. So you attach here. And this, does it says Michael Kors? Yeah. So I don't know if to keep it or not. And here it says Michael Kors somewhere. I don't know where. But the leather looks like this. It seems like it's pebbled leather, but it's maybe reinforced from the other side with some other kind of leather, like maybe Saffiano leather, as this structure looks like it. So yeah, and it has bottom looks like this. It has 4 feet, and here it's like this. For unboxing for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like such unboxings, then give thumbs up and subscribe for more. Wow, this dust bag is really huge. They gave me wrong dust bag size, I think, to this bag. This one is huge, and bag isn't so huge. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like, then thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next videos. Bye.